Alright, is your Wi-Fi connected but the internet feels slow when opening websites or apps? So in this video I'll show you a simple DNS trick that can make your browsing faster in just a few minutes. So today I'm going to show you how to increase your Wi-Fi internet speed by changing your DNS server settings. Many people don't know that the internet service provider automatically assigns a DNS server, and sometimes DNS can be slow or overloaded. By switching to Google public DNS, specifically that is 828.8.8 and 828.8.4.4, you may experience faster website loading, more stable browsing, and improved internet performance. The best part is that this method is completely free and only takes a few minutes to set up. So what is DNS? DNS, before we change anything, let's first understand what DNS is. DNS stands for Domain Name System. Think of DNS like a phone book of the internet. When you type a website name like for example, when you type a website name like google.com, youtube.com, your device asks a DNS server to translate that name into a numeric IP address so your browser can find that website. If your DNS server is slow, the website may take long to start loading. That's why switching to a faster DNS server can sometimes improve the browsing speed. So why are we going to use the Google DNS? The DNS servers we will use today are operated by Google. Google Public DNS is known for faster response times. It is also known for better connection stability and improved browsing speed, reliable servers worldwide. So let us start up the tutorial. We're going to open up our phone in settings. When you're connected to the Wi-Fi, make sure that your device is connected to that Wi-Fi or to your Wi-Fi. Open up the settings and then you're going to go to Wi-Fi right here. Let me show you. You're going to go here where you have Wi-Fi, and then after we're going to press and hold a specific Wi-Fi network we are connected to. Or if not that, you're going to go right here where you have this I button or I like button, and then after you're going to go modify network, or if not modify network on some devices, you can choose manage network settings, or on some devices you can go where you have the IP settings, or you can go to advanced options and then IP settings. This is how you're going to do. You're going to go and press and hold your Wi-Fi network, tap modify network or manage network settings, select advanced options, and you're going to go where you have the IP settings. Then you're going to change from this HCP to static, and then after you're going to scroll to the DNS section. Hope you are seeing the DNS. You're going to change the first one to 828.8.8, and the second one you're going to set it to 8.8.8.4, and then after tap save. Make sure you save, and then after you go back. After saving, those who have computers, you can open in control panel, go to network and internet, open network and sharing center. You can click change adapter settings, then right click on your Wi-Fi connection. You can click on properties, select internet protocols, version IPv4, then choose those following DNS servers right here. Choose to static, and then put what I've typed, 802.8.4.4, and then after you save, alright, then you'll be able to connect. And this is a disclaimer that this tutorial is purposely for information and education purposes only. Changing the DNS will not bypass your internet service provider's data limits, speed caps, or network policies. Performance improvements depend on the network conditions and ISP infrastructure. Alright, I sign out.